Hi, Cindy Lou Who here. No, just Jenny. Anyways, as I was scrolling through my social media feed, I came across a recipe for some Grinch Truffles. And seeing as my manager at work loves Grinch things, I thought this would be a perfect recipe to try and take into work to share. So that's what we are going to be making today, Grinch Truffles. Let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to need 36 Oreos, half a cup of whipped cream cheese, 12 ounces of some meltable chocolates, and some red hearts. We are going to use a food processor for chopping up the Oreos. So I just have the regular blade inside there. If you don't have a food processor, you can just put these all into a gallon-sized baggie and use like a rolling pin and chop them all up that way. So 36. Should take about a minute or two at most. It should be all nice and crumbly in there. If you have any big pieces, again, that's how you can keep mixing it up so that it's all just a nice crumbly mess. We're now going to dump the cookie mixture into a bowl and then mix in our half a cup of cream cheese. If you don't have whipped cream cheese, you can use regular cream cheese and then just whip it up. That you would have to let sit to room temperature. If you have the cream cheese that's already whipped, it does not have to be room temperature because it's already all soft and good to go. And now we're just going to mix this all together. Keep mixing your Oreo cookie mixture here together until you can form like a nice ball with it. It's all nice and together. And now we will make cookie balls. Alright, line a cookie sheet with some wax paper or parchment paper or a silicone pad. That'll help with our cleanup later. And then a cookie scoop or your hands. We're just going to scoop out some of the batter to make our balls. Alright, now we will just make sure that they're all nice and tight and make them into little balls. Now we're going to put these into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Alright, we will melt our chocolates now. So I have these meltables, which make it nice and easy. We'll just put those in the bowl, melt it to your package directions on the back, which says put it at 50% power per minute. So we'll do that. If you can't find meltables in your store, they sell these like at Walmart or the Michaels, the craft stores type of thing. You can also just use white almond bark or white meltables if you can't find the green also. And then some food coloring. But you have to use gel food coloring and not the watery type that you usually use like for Easter egg dye. Because that'll seize up the chocolate. So 50% for a minute. Starting to melt. We'll go another 30, that should do it. Thinking about it, I probably should have done a smaller bowl so I can actually get them dipped. Alright, I transferred my dipping chocolate into a smaller bowl so I can actually hopefully dip the chocolates all the way in. So I prepared another pan with another piece of wax paper on there, mainly because pull these out of the fridge, but because of all the chocolate pieces that are still on here. Normally I would put them right back onto this sheet, but I don't want them getting coated with that extra chocolate bits on the outside. So we will just put them on a fresh sheet. Take your Oreo ball and we'll get it all coated. And okay. Yeah, and try to tap off the extra chocolate. Place it on your cookie sheet. Put it up here. And shake some stars out. Stars, hearts. The Grinch's heart grew 3 times that day, right? Put the heart in the middle. And keep going. Once they're all covered in chocolate, back in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Put my hand here. Woo! This is going to blend in with my shirt. So the Christmas Grinch Truffles are done. I think they turned out pretty good. They're fairly easy to make. So I will leave this recipe down in the description below. I found this recipe on Princess Pinky Girl's website, so I will also leave that site down in the description below. So, like the Grinch, I hope that your holiday season is filled with so much love that your heart will grow 3 times its size this year. In any case, I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Very chocolatey. It tastes like an Oreo. Very sweet Oreo. Very delicious. So like the Grinch, I hope that your holiday season is filled with so much love that your heart will grow 3 times this year. That didn't work.